Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohan. Now we are the discussion topic for the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro. So what is the logistic regression? Logistic regression is a widely used statistical method for modeling binary, multinomial and ordinal outcomes. In biological science, those techniques are essential for analyzing data that involve categorical response variables. From disease diagnostics to ecological studies, logistic regressions help interpret relationship between the predictor and outcomes, providing valuable insights into the biological phenomena. We will explore the three types of logistic regressions model: binary, multinomial and ordinal, their application in biological science. The binary logistic regressions, that video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to the description box on this video. The next one for the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro. So the multinomial logistic regression is a extensions of binary logistic regressions that allow for predicting a categorical outcome with more than two possible classes. It models the relationship between a set of predictor variables and a categorical response variable with constant class where constant higher than 2. So the key concept of the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro, the dependent variable multinomial categorical with more than 2 levels. Independent variables can be continuous or categorical. Goals: estimate the probability of each class given the predictor variable. So now open the OriginPro software. The data already entered in the OriginPro workspace. We take for the age, gender and blood pressure, then 3 category level for the normal, pre-hypertension and hypertension for the blood pressure. So the level of the hypertension, the normal blood pressure level below 120 milligram per mercury and pre-hypertension blood pressure level 120 to 139 and hypertension blood pressure level 140 milligram or higher. So this is for the blood pressure level. The 3 category for the selected to the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro. So this is for the analyzed tool, the logistic regressions. So this is how to install this tool in the OriginPro. Open the browser. Comparative guide to multinomial logistic regression application and implications, that post published to our Blogger page. That page link also mentioned this video description box. The scroll down the page. Get for the link of the download logistic regressions app for the OriginPro. Click to the link and open the new tab for the OriginPro website. First the login the website, it is free, and click to the download button for the logistic regressions, and installation method for the drag and drop into the OriginPro workspace. An icon will appear in the app gallery. So already I installed the app, so the icon will appear in the app gallery. So click to the logistic regression app, open the new tab for the 3 options. First one for the binary logistic regression, that video already I published. So the now analyzed for the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro. So click to the button, then open the multinomial logistic regression options. So the dependent variable selected for the blood pressure. So blood pressure, and the independent variable selected for the age and general. The continuous, the variable select for the age, and the categorical variable selected for the independent variable in gender. So the reference, the factor level selected for the M, male, the F for female and M for male. Then next one for the setting, the model setting selected for the main effect, and quantity selected options select for the all the checkbox. and fit parameter, fit statistics also the select the all the table, and predict value selected for the all the checkbox, and click to the OK button. Now analyzed for the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro. The first one table for the parameters. So the nominal and normal and pre-hypertensions present in the intercept value, the coefficients, standard error, wild test and degrees of freedom, the t-test value and significance value also present in the parameters. So the 95% of the LCL and UCL also present in the parameter table. So the next one for the statistics table, the number of the points and degrees of freedom and also present for the AIC, BIC and another test for present in the table, 2 for the statistics table. Then third one table for the model test in the likelihood ratio test, the higher square value 0.93 and degrees of freedom 4 and significance value 0.91. At the level of 0.05 the present in the likelihood test. So the next one for the classification table presented and covariation matrix, the normal and hypertension, pre-hypertension, and correlation also the normal and pre-hypertension, the present the value in the multinomial logistic regressions. The next one for the MLR data one, this also table presented in the next one table. Then the full interpretation for the parameter, statistics, model test, classification test, covariation and correlation matrix test, the table, how to interpret the table and how to design the table, also the published another one video, and that video also link published in the this video description box. Okay, any doubt on this analyzed for the multinomial logistic regression in OriginPro, leave me the comments in the comment box, I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.